Hi friends, today this is day 10, polynomial chapter and 10th RBSE students. First of all, put your attendance properly, write comment, yes sir, then your attendance will be count. And let's continue. It was the last question of exercise 3.5. Let's see. Question is this. If roots of quadratic equation and that quadratic equation is given, this is equation b minus c x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b equals to 0 are real and equal. So it's real and equal, it means discriminant is 0. And prove that b to b equals to a plus c. That we have to prove. So what to do in this question? According to this, they are written its roots are real and equal. So discriminant equals to 0. If discriminant is 0, so we can say b square minus 4ac equals to 0. If we observe, so a is capital A, which is b minus c, capital B is c minus a, and capital C is a minus b. All the terms we have, let's apply in it. So b square, which is c minus a, that we will write in this whole square, minus 4ac, 4 into a is what? A is b minus c, and that c is a minus b equals to 0. That's all. So this we will multiply. This is c square plus a square minus 2ac minus this 4 we will take outside first of all. B into this is AB. B into B is negative B square, and C into A is AC negative, and minus minus plus AB CD. That is taken equals to 0. Let's multiply this 4 also. C square plus A square minus 2AC minus 4AB minus 4B square minus 4AC plus sign will be changed, minus minus plus minus minus plus, and minus plus is minus 4BC equals to 0. Now we can solve these only. So there will be a square plus their difference is 2ac, and this is c square. It will be separate. Here I will take 2ab form. So in this there is this 4ab and negative 4bc is written, let it be written here, and this is 4b square. Let's solve now. It will be a plus c whole square, because this is a square plus 2ab plus b square plus latest, and here I'll take 4 minus 4b I take common, so there will be a plus b A plus C, sorry. A plus C is left. And there is 4b square which can be written 2b whole square. So if we observe, so this is A plus C whole square. This 4b can be written like 2 into A into B, which is this. So this is A square minus 2AB, their product also same, and this is C, B square. So there will be A plus C minus 2B whole square equals to 0 is left. This is the identity A plus B A minus B whole square, because A is this, 2AB is this, and B square is this. So we have identity if A square minus 2AB plus B square, so it can be written A minus B whole square. So first term is A minus B, A plus C, so that is written, then minus, and last term which is 2B, so that is written. Now we can remove the square, so this A plus C minus 2B equals to 0 is left, because square root of 0 will be 0. So that 2B we can shift other side, and we got A plus C equals to 2B. This is the proof of this question. I'll repeat this question. In this question, we had this equation, and we had this also, roots are real and equal. So we have to prove 2b equals to A plus C. So in this situation, discriminant is always 0. If we observe A, so A is B minus C, B is C minus A, and C is A minus B. All the terms are there, and the formula is B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. So B is C minus A, that is written, whole square, minus 4 into A into C, that is done. Now their square we can open, A minus B whole square, that formula is written in front of you, A square plus B square minus 2AB. So this is the term, because A and B is this. Their product we can do, that's why 4 is taken outside and this B multiplied to whole bracket, so we are getting AB and negative B square, and this C multiplied to whole bracket, so we get negative AC and positive BC. It can be multiplied, and we got 4AB, 4B square plus 4AC minus 4BC equal to 0. It is a formation of A plus B whole square. How? Because 2AC negative and 4AC positive. If we solve, so there will be 2AC positive. So these terms are written in separately, and these terms are written here. Here we can take 4B common. If we take 4B common, so A plus C is left. It looks like this, 4B square is 2B whole square. So A square, 2AB, B square. This formula we can apply. So we have written this 2AB in front of this. So 2 into A, which is A plus C, and B, which is 2B. So A square minus 2AB plus B square, its formula is A minus B whole square. So A is A minus A plus C, and B is 2B. So that is written. Whole square is removed, to square root will be there, but the square root of 0 will be same. That's why A plus C minus 2B equals to 0. This 2B shifted to other side, and we got the solution, which is proved. So we can write hence proved, this is the solution. Let's take next exercise, which is 3.6. I'm erasing this. Exercise 3.6, least common multiple and highest common factor. First question, find LCM. of the following expression. First part, which are 24 x square yz and 27 x raised to 4 y square z square. Let's solve this question. Make it very clear, we are finding LCM. To find out LCM, first of all, we will factorize this. So factors of 2, 4x square yz. So 24 can be written like this. If roughly we solve 24, 2 then 12, 2 then 6, 2 then 3 and 3 then 1. So factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is the factor. These are the factors of 24 into x is 2 times, that's why x into x, y is single time, z is single time. Let's write factors of second one. Factors of 27x raised to 4 y square z square. So 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. X raised to 4 y is square and z. So in this situation we have to find out LCM, least common multiple. Least. There is only this 3 is common. There is x is common. This x is common. This y is common. This z is common. Whatever is common, that we will write once, and whatever is left, that we will write. So 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 raised to 3 we will write. 3 is over there, that's why we will write 3 because common, and 2 more 3's are there. X, which is x square, this is x into x, and this x also there, so x into x will be there. This is y, so y once again because that y is left, and z is also separately. If we multiply all, so 2 raised to 3, which is called 8, and this is called 27. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, x raised to 4, y square and z. Z is 2 times, that's why one more z will be there, so z is square. So this is product. Let's multiply by 8. 8 sevens are 56, 5. 8 to the 16 and 5, 21. X raised to 4, y square and z square. These are the terms. Let me tell you very clearly. LCM. This is the process of HCF. If we are finding LCM, so we can take 24 and 27 both. If we factorize, 216 will be there. Highest power we will take for the LCM, and highest power is x raised to 4, that is written. Highest power is y, that is 2, that can be taken, and z highest power is this. So in LCM we will write highest power. This was the process I told you how to find common things. So common things we can use. Otherwise directly you have to assume these two numbers only we have to find out their LCM, and their x square and sx 4. So x raised to 4 is greater, so that we will take. Y square, and there is a single y, so there will be greater. Y square, that we will take, and z is also single time, and there will be square. So highest power is this. So finally, LCM is this. Please write it down. It means highest powers we have to take on it. Do it fast, and we will take next part of it. I am erasing this, and let's take next part. Second part of it. X square minus 3x plus 2 and x raised to 4 plus x cube minus 6x square. These are the terms. Let's solve these questions. First of all, I'll factorize this. As we know that 2 ones are 2, so we can factorize by like that term. Two plus 1 is 3. 2 ones are 2. Product is also there. Sum is also 3. Now it can be taken like this: 2x and minus x plus 2. First two terms, we take x common, so x minus 2 is left. Minus 1 is taken common, so it will be. So finally brackets are these. We got these factors. Now second is x raised to 4 plus x cube minus 6x square. If we take x square common, so there will be x square plus x minus 6. Also we can factorize x square. 6 we need, 3 2s are 6, and their sub difference is 1. On the place of this we will write 3 minus 2x. Now it can be factorized. X square minus plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. If we solve this, so there is x square and there is x common, so x plus 3, and minus 2 common, so x plus 3. So it can be taken like this: x plus 3 and x minus 2. Now LCM of x square minus 3x plus 2 and x raised to 4 plus x cube minus 6x square. Their LCM we are finding. All the factors we will write. There x minus 2. There is also x minus 2. So that is common. So we will write once. X minus 1. X plus 3. And x square. That we will write at first. So finally LCM is all the factors. Only common factors we will remove. So this is the common factor. Otherwise all the factors I took, and this will be included in LCM. Please write it down. So LCM is x square, x minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 3. Now I am erasing this and we will continue this. That is question number first, third part. Part number 3, which is 2x square minus 8 and x square minus 5x plus 6. So this is first term, their factor we will do. 2 is taken common, so we get x square minus 4. It can be taken by a plus b, a minus b. So it has bracket x whole square minus 2 square, and this is 2 into x plus 2 and x minus 2. These are the factors. Now let's take second one, x square minus 5x plus 6. If we solve this, so here we take x square and 3 2s are, their product is 6 and their sum is also 5. So x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. If we take x common, so x minus 3 is left. If we take 2 common, so x minus 3 is left, and factors are x minus 3 and x minus 2. These are the factors. Let's find out LCM. LCM is all the factors only except common. So 2 is there, so 2 we will write. Then x minus 2 is common for both, so x minus 2 I am taking. Then x plus 2 we can take, and x plus 3 is also there. These are the total factors. This much is LCM of this question. Please do it fast, then we will continue. Now next part, I am erasing this. Let's take its next part. Which is part 4th. X square minus 1, x square plus 1, x plus 1, and x square plus x minus 1. Let's factorize all. First of all, if we factorize this, so it can be written x plus 1, x minus 1 by identity. If we factorize second one, which is x square plus 1 and x plus 1, so their factors are same, x square plus 1 and x plus 1, nothing changed. And third is x square plus x minus 1, so we need negative 1. So it's quite difficult to do because 1 is over there, nothing to do, and it is factor also x square plus x minus 1. So LCM is x plus 1, x minus 1, x square plus 1 and x square plus x minus 1. It can be written a plus b, a minus b form. And this is also a plus b, a minus b form. So x is to 4 minus 1 and x square plus x minus 1 is factor. This is least common multiple. Please do it fast. Then we will take its next part. Let's take its fifth part. Fifth part of it. (18) 6x raised to 4 plus x cube minus x square, and 45 2x raised to 6 plus 3x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4. Let's find out their LCM. So what to do? Factors of 18, 6x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square. So there will be 2 into 3 square. That is called 18. 9 2s are 18. If I talk about their factors, so x square can be taken out. So what is left? 6x square plus x plus 1. So it can be factorized. It can be written 18x square and this 6x square plus, as I told you, 6 and we need 1. So what to take? 6x square plus x plus 1. It was minus 1. That's why we are not getting correct answer. So let it be same, negative. Now it is possible 3 minus 2, x minus 1. So 18x square, 6x square minus 3x, sorry, positive 3x minus 2x minus 1. Now if we take 3x common, so there is left 2x minus plus 1. If we take negative 1, so there is 2x plus 1. Both the brackets are same, so their factors are 18x square, 2x plus 1, 3x minus 1. Let's take second one, factors of 45, 2x raised to 6 plus 3x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4. So 45 will be 45. X raised to 4 we can take common. There is 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is left. We need 2, so 2 ones are 2. So on the place of 3 we will write 2 plus 1. It can be solved. There is 2x square plus 2x plus x plus 1. So we will take here 45x raised to 4. There is 2x outside, so x plus 1 is left, and 1 we will take common, so x plus 1 is left. So factors are, I am writing factors here. So factors are 45x raised to 4, x plus 1 and x 2x plus 1. So we got factors. Now we are finding LCM. So LCM. So roughly we can find out LCM of 18 and 45. If we divide by 2, so there will be 9. There is 45. Divide by 3, then 3. 15, then divide by 3, we get 3. And there will be 5. There is 1. If we divide by 5, then 1 comma 1. So LCM is 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. So LCM is 90. There is x square, and that is x raised to 4. So we will write x raised to 4 first. This is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 is common. That's 2x plus 1 we can write. X plus 1 we can write. And one more, that is 3x minus 1. These are the factors. These are the LCM. Please write down, this is the LCM of given. So first question is completed, that was finding LCM. Now homework. Today's homework, find LCM. Find the LCM of the following. First part is given 4a square b square c and 6a b square d. And second, x square minus 4x plus 3 and x square minus 5x plus 6. These two questions are homework for finding LCM. If you get any problem, then tell me, I'll explain once again. If you have any doubt, just write down in comment and then we will solve these questions. So today's class is this. We will be there in next session. Thank you and have a nice day.